In this video, I'll walk you through how to create a Google account step by step. A Google account is useful for mail, Drive, YouTube access, etc. Open your browser and click in the field. Type Google account, sign up pH. Click the magnifying glass. Scroll down to find create a Google account just below Google support. Click. Your screen should appear with create a Google account. And who is it for? The choice here is for myself or to manage a business. Click for myself. And here you are expected to enter your personal details. First name, in this case, I will just add Jane Doe because I already have a Google account. Click next. The month, January 5th, 54, female. If the information is correct, click next. How you're signed in. You must create a username. Click in the field and make up a username. In this case, I would say Jane Doe 57 at gmail.com. Sometimes it says that username is taken. Try another. And I will just add more letters and numbers. In this case, and I'm going to write this down because I'll need to delete it afterwards. Password. Type in a password and I will write down this password. Confirm. Click next. Sometimes you will get this prompt, which means they want a mixture of letters and numbers. So I will add another number. And the recovery, you can add a different email address. For example, if something happens with your email, then you will need a notification from Google. In this case, I will choose this particular email address, or you can skip. Let's skip for next time. Review your account information. This is the account.
Click next. And here are your privacy and terms. you are expected to agree. And then you will get this welcome page. Welcome, your name, and basically you have a Google account.
Subscribing to a channel. Make sure you are signed in to your Google account. Liking a video. What you watched, click the thumbs up icon beneath the video. Liking a video helps creators grow. You are watching a video. You enjoy the content. Consider subscribing to the channel. Just click the subscribe button below the video. Leaving a comment. Make sure you are signed in to your Google account. You are watching a video. Want to interact? Scroll down to the comments section. Click add a comment. Type your message. You can share your thoughts, ask questions, or thank the creator for their content. Once you have completed your message, click comment to post. Thanks, viewer, for watching. Hope this is helpful. If it is, please like and subscribe to my channel.